Italian chili, bold and beautiful, but the flavors outnumber any meat chili here.
Our crybaby chili is hot. We've got 13 different peppers in it, ranging from something very mild like a green bell pepper all the way up to a ghost pepper or the bucciolophia. There's been debate if that's the hottest one or not, but it's pretty hot. I don't know if we're the best. Our Thai turkey chili took third last year. We're hoping for second or first. Step up's always good, but you know, it supports a local economy. All of the stuff that we buy, 90% of it is locally sourced, and I think that's important.
No cap, but I gotta say, spice.